Good day everyone, I am Daniel Cabasa and in this video I'm going to show you how to modify group policy on Windows Server 2008. First, let's define what is group policy. It is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows network administrators to control and manage the settings of computers and users in a network environment. So, yung group policy yung nag-handle ng mga settings sa computers, mga rules na kung hindi yun naka-enable or parang naka-allowed is hindi siya magagawa ng isang user. Yung group policy kasi is ayun yung magdidictate kung kayang gawin ng isang user or hindi yung isang feature sa computer. So, ayun yung purpose niya. It is to restrict or to allow user sa mga settings ng computer. So, ngayon naman, I will show you how to modify group policy. First, let's open Server Manager. Step 2, go to Features. And then makikita nyo yung Group Policy Management. And then punta kayo sa Domains. And then click on your domain. Then right-click and select Create a GPO. And then may mga nakalagay pa yun doon. Basta create a GPO, put a name, and then click OK. So in this case, yung name is BSIT. Step 4, open Group Policy Management Editor and go to Start Menu and Taskbar. So, ayun yung makikita ninyo and then punta kayo sa User Configuration, click nyo yun. And then sa Administrative Template, makikita nyo yung Start Menu and Taskbar. And then, click nyo yun, ayan yung makikita. So, dito naman tayo sa User Access na Group Policy. So, una is select a remove links and access to Windows Update. Right-click and click on Edit. So, ayun yung mga i-modify natin. So, sa User Access, i-allow natin yung remove links and access to Windows Update. Click nyo lang yon yung policy na yon. Right-click and then makikita nyo Edit. Ito yung lalabas after nun. Meron tatlong pagpipilian. Not configured, enabled, and disabled. And since gusto natin siya enable, click natin sa enable, apply, and then OK. Step 3, now select remove network connections from the start menu, enable it as well. So, ayan, yung pangalawang policy. And then yung pangatlo, remove help menu from the start menu. And then pang-apat, remove run menu from start menu. Pang-5, remove pictures icon from start menu. Pang-6, remove music icon from start menu. 7 is remove a network icon from start menu. And yung add log off to the start menu. And lahat ng yan na nasa start menu and taskbar ay i-enable. So, enable nyo lang yon and then move tayo dito sa next part. Go to Systems, Folder, Control plus Alt plus Delete, and then remove Task Manager, click Edit, and then enable it. So, enable din yan. For the next step, go to Administrative Templates, Network Connections, click on that. Step 12, select Prohibit Access to Properties of ALAN Connections, and then enable then. For the step 13, go to System and click on Prevent Access to the command prompt, then enable it as well. 14, enable Prevent Access to Registry Editing, and then go to Control Panel and select Prohibit Access to the Control Panel. Yan ay mga enable natin. So after that, okay na yon na modify na yung group policy sa mga users. Now, move on tayo sa administrator access naman. So dito, kanina is mga user, in-enable natin yung mga policy. So dito naman, i-disable naman natin yung ibang policy. So, simula ulit tayo sa una, go to Server Manager, create a new GPO or Group Policy object, name it as a administrator. So, modify nyo yon sa administrator, and then may default doon na user, i-remove nyo lang yon, and then click add, and then ito lalabas. I-type nyo yung administrator sa object name, and then click OK. And then, punta kayo sa administrative GPO, click edit, and then under all settings, makikita nyo yung remove links and access to Windows Update. So, kanina na enable natin siya sa user access. Ngayon sa admin access is i-disable naman natin. So, ganun pa rin yung process, edit lang. And then, makikita nyo yung tatlong button, click disabled, click apply, and click OK. Step 4, disable remove network connections from the start menu as well. Ito yung mga i-disable, remove help menu from start menu. Ayan, remove run menu from start menu, remove pictures icon from start menu, remove music icon from start menu, remove network icon from start menu, add log off to the start menu, remove task manager, prohibit access to properties of components of a LAN connection, prevent access to the command prompt, prevent access to registry editing tools, prohibit access to the control panel, and lahat ng yon is i-disabled. After ma-disabled is i-click lang tong apply and then click OK. So that's how you modify group policy sa Windows Server 2008, and thank you for watching.